Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to tie a Sego Gele, Runch Sego Gele. So watch carefully. You see this, we made it from the Ashwebi length of Sego Gele, not the length 90. That is what I'm showing you right here. The one that is yellow or gold, that's the length 90. Can you see? So what I'm trying to explain in this video is that you can achieve this style with a short length and you can still achieve it with a longer length. So now let's get right into the video. You're going to make 5 pleats or 4 pleats depending on how you want it. Place it at the back of your head, bring forward and cross. So watch carefully. Can you see? We've crossed. You're going to take a pleat and pleat down. Just watch carefully. See it. On the other side, you're going to pin once, then on the opposite side you're going to pin twice, like the way I'm doing now. You get? So you could pin on your left hand side or on your right hand side depending on how you want it. You get? Now after that, the part that you pinned twice, that's to the close to the ear length or your eyebrow length, you're now going to make pleats on that part. Just watch carefully and see how I make the pleats. You make pleats until you've reached the base. You get? Then you go ahead to tie, but just watch carefully and see how I tie it. Can you see? We are done making our plates. Now we are arranging it properly. Then for you to tie, to make this part to be stable, you're going to take the other flap and cross on top of this one and pin. So watch carefully and see how I do it. I'm still going to give you a bonus tip on how you can pin this also, but just watch this first one.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts.
Can you see it? We are going to gather as much as we can and ensure that it's tight. Then we proceed to pin it under. See where I'm passing this? You're going to pass it through that place and pin at the back, as you can see. Now if you don't want to pin it this way and you're kind of like looking for an easy way out, you're going to raise that part that you pinned once. You raise it up, that's you remove the pin, then pass this part under. That's the one you're using to hold that other flap that is pleated. You're going to pass it under. When you've pinned it properly at the back, then you pin that side that you pinned once again. You understand? That's kind of like the easy way out. But in whatever you're doing, ensure that it's very tight, so that the part you've pleated will be stable. Now we go ahead to start arranging our pleats, as you can see. But before that, you see what I'm doing? You're going to pin to the base. If you're doing it on the mannequin head, just choke it down. But when you're doing it on someone's head, you take a portion alongside with your base pleats and pin inside out. You understand? Then after that, we go ahead to style. So watch carefully. I'm going to pull outward, as you can see, then proceed to make my style. This head wrap or this Gele style has been on the internet for some time, so I said let me just do it. Mind you, the way some other people will teach you is going to be different from this one, but if you can do this, I'm pretty sure you can do any other style. Now we are going to arrange carefully the first part. Just watch how I'm doing it. You're not going to do it like a ruffles, but you're just going to, enlarge it, design it to your style. After that, you fold it under and pin to the base. All your work now is to the base, you get. Then you can also pin the other side to the back, but for the purpose of this gele, I'm going to leave it because I want everything to look uniform, you understand. Now we proceed to this other one that is pending and repeat the same thing. You're just going to bend it. Any extra part, you tuck it at the back, then you pin to the base, as you can see. So watch carefully. Now when we are done with that part, we proceed to the other flap that we used in tying this other one down. We proceed to that part, arrange properly as we did to the first one, and pin to the base. Mind you, this is the part that we are going to arrange properly. The other side, if it's is disturbing you, you're going to fold it and just pin for the meantime, you get. The way you're done, you arrange everything properly and cover the back. Can you see what I'm saying? Now we are going to arrange that part that we pinned down. We are going to arrange it properly and cover up everything. We are like 80% done with our gele. The gele is very easy to do, but it is that you don't have to overthink it. Once you're done with the first flap, the one that we made two styles on, the next one is just easy to maneuver. It's easy to work with, you get. Your main thing is that you should ensure that when you're pinning that side that you plaited down, you pin it, let it be tight so that it doesn't disturb you. Now we are done covering the back. We proceed to join together. Now take notes, this part is optional. After tying it and joining, like the first one, the shorter Ashwebi length gele that I used, I did not join both together, but for this one I joined together. So it depends on your style, what you want, what you like, because for me, I'll just say I'll leave it like that, but if you want, you can join it, you get. So we are going to join the three together step by step. The middle one, you join it to the left hand side. The other part of the middle side, you join it to the right hand side. Can you see what we are doing? So if you've been looking for a way to tile this style on your clients, here is a tutorial. You watch carefully and you're going to achieve it. Just do it like I've explained, or do it like you've seen on the screen. You get. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.